Hi dear Leo. Very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 tarot messages for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the week of 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Keep in mind these are general messages. They might or might not resonate with you. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Let's see what we have. Leo, overall energy for Leo people for this week. Sanu sariyan ve sar gaiyan dawa ve kede passe jaye sajna. We have the Five of Swords. You guys are going to be continuously overthinking about a situation that might not be that much worse, to be honest with you. There might be some kind of rift or disagreement going on within a dynamics, within a situation. And you guys are, instead of trying to figure out the solution, you guys are continuously overthinking and making it more difficult for yourself. Okay, why? Let me give it a good shuffle and we are going to start the per day messages. Hmm. 20th, we have the Lovers card. You guys are going to be super attracted, super infatuated, very much in love kind of energy with a particular situation or person. But there is going to be a choice or decision that you guys have to make and understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in a particular situation. So there is going to be a choice or decision that you guys have to make in this on this particular day regarding the situation that is very very close to your heart and soul. 21st, we have the Queen of Pentacles. You guys are going to be mostly focused on your stability, money, job, career, finances. Mostly in this energy of trying to figure out ways to make your future stable, to have early retirement for some of you. Something related to money or finances is going to be there that you guys are going to be continuously working on or thinking about or doing something about. 22nd, we have the Hierophant. It's like you guys are going to start connecting or reconnecting with your higher self energy, meaning you are going to go back to your spiritual practices. If you guys are not able to do that from a long time and you used to do that, for some of you, you might connect with a mentor, guru, or healer, or a very spiritual person who is going to guide you in moving forward in your life regarding a situation that you might be feeling very uh, trapped in some way, right? For some of you, most of you, it's related to your energy blockages and working on your spiritual things. 23rd, we have the Queen of Cups. It's like coming back to yourself, a lot of self love, self care, self healing, and being in this kind and compassionate energy towards everything and everyone around you, and making sure that everything and everyone is taken care of and nobody is left behind or nothing is left behind. So you are going to be full of love and compassion and those nurturing kind of energies towards everything and everyone around you, including yourself. It's a day of spreading love and positivity. 24th, we have the King of Swords. If you guys are not able to get some kind of clarity about a situation, I do see you having this cutthroat energy of this is the ultimate truth. This is how I'm going to take it forward from this point onwards. There are not going to be any kind of changing. This is what it is. So you guys are going to be cutting a lot of crap out of your life, out of your system, and making sure that that kind of energy is not going to enter or re-enter in your space anytime soon. Actually. 25th, we have the Queen of Swords. Okay, so King of Swords here, Queen of Swords here. There might be some kind of rift or there might be some kind of fight or conflict going on with another person, another energy here, and you guys will not be seeing each other eye to eye. And you guys are going to have your own point of views, your own energies. I am right. I am right. You are not. You are not able to understand my point of view. So it's like going to be a blame game kind of thing between two people and having rifts and disagreements and both of you taking it as a game of ego instead of taking it as like, okay, let's handle the situation with love and compassion. For most of you, it's like disagreement with the closest person with you, right, around you. For others of you, it can be like you continuing this energy of cutting the crap out of your life, out of your system, and not allowing certain kind of people, situations, or things to enter in your space anymore, because you are done. You are pissed off, you're angry, you are done, and you gave your best. Now you are just done. Okay. 26, we have the judgment card. I do see you guys being in this forgiveness kind of energy of, okay, you cannot change the past, you cannot change how things unfolded in a particular situation. Now from this point onwards, you guys can make sure to forgive and move forward, giving maybe somebody another shot, another chance, giving a situation or friendship or something that you used to do but it went down. So bringing something dead and buried back on the table, trying to heal it and release it properly, and trying to sort things out properly, and then starting from the start, whether you guys are going to come back together as a team with someone, or you are going to release it, but there is going to be a lot of forgiveness and a healing kind of energy on this day. Let's see the final message for you guys as guidance, Leo, for this week. We have the Sun card. Keeping things crystal clear and not allowing anything or anyone to interfere in your clarity, in your happiness, is going to make you feel at the top of the world. Communication should be clear, your intention should be clear, your energy should be clear, towards yourself first and towards other people also. If there is any kind of confusion or miscommunication or lack of communication going on in your life regarding a particular situation, try to handle it, try to manage it as soon as possible before it's going to be too much to deal with in the coming future. Okay, that's going to help you guys from a lot of headache and lot of stressful energies. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.